Welcome back to Lady Boss Boost, your go-to 5-minute tip to grow your online business without the tech headaches. So today's boost is about saving time and making your content work harder for you. So we're going to be diving into ManyChat. It's a free tool that helps you automatically deliver your lead magnet when someone comments on your post. Pretty cool, right? No more copying and pasting links into DMs, no more missed opportunities. Just a simple, fast automation that runs while you're living your life. This has really changed things for me because as I grow in my business, I get more and more comments on my posts and more engagement and more DMs. And being able to automatically reply really helps out because when somebody is dropping a keyword, they're currently on their phone. So if you can actually send them a message while they're still on their phone and they see that little message notification drop down, they can tap on it and go right into that conversation with you. So you want to make sure that you're actually sending them the message while they're on their device, not several hours later when you get back home or when you get a chance to send them the message. So let's jump into my screen and I'm going to walk you through the basics and give you a free plug and play flow that you can start using today. Let's jump in. So here I am inside of ManyChat. Now, to sign up, there is a link below. You can actually get a 2-week free trial of their pro version, but you can absolutely start using ManyChat for free. You'll see a button that says Get Started. It's going to then bring you to this screen where you choose where you want to start. So you want to make sure that you have a Facebook business page. If you're going to use the Facebook Messenger or even the Instagram Messenger, you want to have a Facebook business page. So if you don't have one of those yet, you need to create them and connect your Instagram to your Facebook business page. So once you're inside of the ManyChat automation, you have your home screen here. I'm over here on the left-hand side and I've clicked on the automation tab. So once you click on the plug and play automation that I have given you, it's going to ask you a series of questions and it's going to bring it into your ManyChat account. Don't try to click on that plug and play workflow unless you have your ManyChat account set up. It won't work, okay? So what I'm going to do is I do have a couple of folders so I can organize all of my flow. So I've got my freebies here, I've got my low ticket here, and some others that I have imported. So I'm going to click on my freebies folder, and these are all my freebies that I have offered in the past. And we're going to start with two of my favorites, the guide and the emails. So if I click on the guide, I'm going to show you exactly how this works. So this is what they call a trigger. So when something happens, start this workflow. So basically when a user comments on your post or your reel, and I've got any post or reel, so I use the same keywords on all my post or reel for a particular freebie. When the user sends a message, if they DM me the word guide, or if they comment on my live, because I was going live on the platform, and I would say, hey, drop the word guide. And as soon as they drop the word, my chat bot would pick up and send them over the goods. Then when they have done that, when the trigger happens, they send them this message. Hey, Rockstar, I saw that you requested my free guide on how to create and sell digital products. This will be the first place for you to get started with your digital products business. If you're ready to dive in, here's your link to the guide. Now, the reason I have it set up like this is because I already have a funnel to collect their name and email. You want to make sure that you are collecting a name and an email so that you can follow up with them and have future conversations. It's very, very important. But what I also do is I tag them, digital product guide, and then I add my contact to my high level account. Then I wait 23 hours and then I send them another message, keeping that conversation going. Hey, did you grab the guide? Did you devour it and start making your first digital product? Getting them to respond to me, okay? Now that's one example of a flow. I'm going to show you the other one where if you don't have any funnels set up yet, that's okay. You can collect their name and their email here on the ManyChat platform. So same thing when when they comment on a post or a reel or they reply to my story, I send them this message. Hi, I'm just confirming that you want my free welcome email sequence swipe file. And if they say yes, I then send them this message. Hey, Instagram user. This is Lizzie, Instagram page names chatbot. So it'd be Lady Wealth Warriors chatbot. Thank you for your interest in my welcome email swipe file. In order to get access, we will need your email address. Drop your best email below. Then we wait for them to respond. So once they respond, we add a contact and we add the tag emails. If they haven't responded, we can then send them another message. But then the next step is, here you go. If you do not have a welcome email sequence yet, this will be a great starting point for you to help connect with your subscribers and get and sell more in your emails. I hope you love them. And then they click here to get their freebie. And that's basically it. And then I tag them again, welcome, so I know they grab the welcome email swipe files. So I'm going to go ahead and give you both of these flows. You're welcome. So you can make the choice and decide which way you want to do it. But this is going to deliver that freebie or lead magnet to your audience automatically once they comment a keyword or anything like that. So you want to make sure that you're creating trigger words. And like I told you, the trigger word for mine was guide. I had another one that was emails. So create a trigger word, and you want to make sure it's not a trigger word that is used a lot, like the word start, okay? Anytime someone sends a DM message to you that has that word in it, it's going to trigger that chatbot. So you want to pick either a number or a different word, a word that people don't normally use in their conversation, like magnet, leads, things like that, okay? So you want to create those trigger words, and I would name your flow with that trigger word so that you know which trigger word that it is. All right. So your Lady Boss Boost challenge for today is set up your first ManyChat keyword flow. Choose one post to test it on. Share your freebie and track who clicks it. Even just one automation like this can save you hours over the next month and make your content a lead generating machine. All right, so here's my bonus gift to you. I've got 2 of those plug and play flows. I put together free ManyChat templates that you can copy and paste into your account. Just drop the word bot in the comments and I will send it over to you. See how that works? That's your Lady Boss Boost for today. If this was helpful, subscribe for more bite-sized strategies and comment below if you want a full tutorial on how I use this during my launches. You've got the tools. Now let's make them work for you. I'll see you in the next episode.